Hey everyone, I'm Sam with Eagle Creek, and today we'll be checking out the Packet Reveal Clean Dirty Cube. This awesome two-sided cube is built with the functionality you never knew you needed. It comes in two sizes, small and medium. All the main body fabrics are 100% recycled post-consumer material, making them a great choice to replace single-use plastic bags. They're even washable and water resistant. The front is mesh, allowing you to see inside and find whatever you need. And it has a really cool angled zipper design, which when open, creates this pocket in the bottom so your clothes don't fall out as you pack, whether you fold or roll. The zippers are super durable and self-repairing, so you never have to worry about overstuffing or split zippers. They also have these really awesome climbing rope inspired pulls, making the zipper easy to grab and giving it a fun outdoor aesthetic. It has an internal divider, so you put your clean clothes in the front and dirty in the back, keeping your clean clothes dry and smelling fresh. Additionally, these cubes are built with a top handle for easy grab and go. The Packet Reveal Clean Dirty Cubes are built responsibly and covered by our lifetime warranty. It's a perfect choice whether you're traveling the world or simply headed out on a road trip.